And Times Now is the only channel to track down Sunil Sahab. The mysterious Sunil Sahab, mentioned by Sunanda's domestic help as key witness, tracked down by Times Now's Aditya Raj Kaul.
Hello, Mr. Sunil Thrakru.
Hello. Hanji. Yeah.
Hi, this is Aditya Raj Kaul. I'm calling from Times Now.
From Times Now.
Yeah. Sir, just wanted to,
yes.
this is regarding the Sunanda Pushkar case, and we just want a brief comment from you on a few issues. So you must have come to know about this statement of Narayan Singh.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Sir, what was that?
Sir, Narayan Singh, the domestic help of Sunanda Pushkar, he has told the police that there was one Sunil Sahab who had met her just 2 days before the unfortunate murder. And so who do you really suspect? I mean, it's not about suspicion. Of course, there is some mystery about it. I mean, was that you, or is that somebody else?
Look, I must say that she knew a lot of people, and I don't know, Sunil, such a common name, she must have known the story Sunil. But having said that, yes, I did go and meet her once on the 15th, and but I fail to understand, why is this so sensational? What is this sensation all about? I've been investigated, and I've given my statement to the police also about a month, probably month and a half back. I don't remember the exact date. At the Sarojini Nagar police station, I went a couple of times. They called me, and everything is on record. You'll find a whole statement with the police. Why is this? Why, Mr. Kaul? Why is this huge sensation happening on this thing? I don't want. Yeah, just because I knew her doesn't mean that I should be dragged into a massive controversy for no reason.
Right, we understand.
Yes, I did know her. She was a friend, but I'm finding that there's a huge sensation going on TV. I wonder why.
I understand, but what I want to ask you, Mr. Thrakru, is that you're saying that you have given your statement to the police. Is that right? Was that a month?
Yes, I have. Yes, I have. I have the record. I've given a police a statement with the police probably as in December, beginning or November, and I don't remember the exact date, but I can dig it out and give you the date.
All right.
So I have already given it, and you can take it out from the police station. And I stick to what I said to the police. I completely stick to it.
Right. What I want to ask you, Mr. Thrakru, is that you said that you met Sunanda on 15th for probably some time. I want to ask you, what was her body language at that time? Because there have been many speculation that she was very upset. She was under some kind of depression. Of course, she has some kind of personal turmoil as well. Did she really confide in you or tell you about what she was really upset about?
Look, I will here. I would like to I would really like to say that this is a matter. An FIR will be registered. It's under investigation, and it really will be inappropriate for me to say anything or speculate. How can I speculate? Who am I to speculate?
Right.
The investigation agencies are doing their work. You guys as journalists are doing their responsible journalism or whatever everybody is doing. It's not my thing to. How can I speculate? I mean, what can I speculate? Nobody in the country knows what happened. How would I know?